okuyanjerizo abayishko mu Rubutega Kagarama Town Council omuri Kajara Ntungamo okushendekereza omu birgo wabireho ambassador wa Uganda muri South Africa Kweronda Ruhemba. Mukuru w'ihango mu butumwa bwe obwashoma muhezi wa mukuru w'empanura z'ishengero Thomas Tayebwa yasima Kweronda Ruhemba ahawe mirimo eyakorera ihanga.
On behalf of the government and on behalf of the NRM party and on my own behalf, I convey heartfelt sympathies to his family and the people of Ntungamo, and particularly the people of Kajara County for their deep loss. The NRM has lost a dedicated cadre who understood and followed our ideological stand of working for the broad and legitimate interests of the people.
Nkaboresho nyingi nade ninchizikora ngo kutukoresha bitweni ngabona rero Kweronda Ruhemba tarantuze inshobe yanjye nemwe urushobe irabire nkora ahindura foundation of advice and guidance.
Kweronda Ruhemba kabaho mwishengero wa Kajara ahagati ya 1996 kutenku 2021 kandi no mwa bakoze rengenduro ho ya 1995
and late Katela family will follow.
Akaba minister w'iby'ubwegese n'emzano, minister w'iby'empiha n'endijo mirimo ya government.
Abana nona Kweronda twateka w'ishumira twatekaho tukuroneshwa kubasa kora twaragasa usaje. Ladies and gentlemen, it is very painful. President Museveni obiyabire ariyo mu UPM arutambara no mushumira nyowe bariyo Godwin nitutwetoshomora President Museveni the whole of this time. In fact, one time late Kategaya mwe atuguriraho akuya Albakare hotel
nalishiri kubivukaho kushabe tugenda twaza kuvuga n'abantu agambira ejo kubaza utakuja kuranganisa kintu ejo utakuja gukora kandi utabiriha abantu those are his messages.
Abana be nabekaye bamugambaho nko muntu obire nabakunda arukunde by'obwegese no buhinji.
In spite of all these working positions in government, Dad had a passion for agriculture. His love for agriculture was phenomenal. It showed in the great harvests he had in both the food crops like avocado, matoke, millet, maize, passion fruits, and then the cash crops like coffee.
Ukwezi umushoro katwara abantu buganda mwena bahatu mureba ko babayira umushoro ko babaye abafuyizi hati mwashuma maza kuba haraki mwajuga cyo musere.
Kweronda Ruhemba yafera myaka nshanju y'obukuru kandi gitoburire bwa stroke obwamazire nabwe myaka 13 gasha kwa Elias Rutugusa.